Je me trouve présentement à la Nouvelle-Orléans, une ville au caractère festif unique, forgée par une tradition qui lui est propre, celle du jazz Nouvelle-Orléans. L'héritage musical de la ville, qui attire aujourd'hui de nombreux touristes, est défendu par une institution légendaire. Bienvenue au Preservation Hall. La Nouvelle-Orléans, c'est une ville unique en son genre. On peut dire qu'elle possède le charme français, la vitalité noire et l'appétit de vivre sud-américain. Il a également une culture musicale bien particulière dont fait partie le jazz Nouvelle-Orléans.
Le Preservation Hall, c'est une boîte de jazz qui a pour but la sauvegarde de la culture musicale néo-orléanaise. Je vais rencontrer Ashley Chaban-Carret, directrice des programmes du Preservation Hall, pour parler de l'établissement.
Preservation Hall opened in 1961, and originally the building was an art gallery space where they were doing sort of these impromptu jam sessions in the courtyard. And they were integrated at the time when the South was very largely not integrated. And so these concerts gained in popularity, and eventually they formed a small nonprofit, which then led to the eventual formation of Preservation Hall in 1961.
L'établissement figure aujourd'hui dans tous les guides de voyage et est devenu un endroit de choix pour écouter du jazz Nouvelle-Orléans authentique.
You know, it's just about the music. We don't want people to be consumed with things like taking videos in the hall or going to get a drink and getting really sloppy drunk. You know, it's about sitting there and experiencing what these musicians have to offer. And very rarely do you get to have an experience where it feels like you're in a living room. It's like you're walking in a time capsule.
Cette capsule temporelle porte avec elle une tradition musicale fortement imprégnée de jazz Nouvelle-Orléans.
Le jazz Nouvelle-Orléans, c'est un style de musique qui est propre à la Big Easy et auquel est associée toute une culture. Il s'est formé au tournant du 20e siècle par la cohabitation des Afro-Américains, des Blancs et des Créoles, ainsi que du mélange de leurs musiques respectives.
This style of jazz is really focused on collective improvisation. So you're really honed in on each instrument has their own role. And it's more about each person kind of playing together and doing their own thing, but also staying in their lanes and staying with their roles. Unlike other music where it's very much so, this is written out, this is what everyone plays.
Le style représente l'une des premières formes de jazz. C'est une musique festive née dans la rue qui agit comme un véritable lien communautaire. Les parades et les défilés où les gens suivent les musiciens en dansant sont des éléments importants de la vie de quartier néo-orléanaise.
To a lot of people, jazz is like this very stagnant art form, but it's not. It can be really lively and beautiful and fun, but most people don't have the association of what New Orleans jazz is.
Afin de protéger, préserver et perpétuer la musique et la culture néo-orléanaise, le Preservation Hall a mis sur pied une fondation qui mise notamment sur l'apprentissage du jazz Nouvelle-Orléans.
So what usually happens is we pair teaching artists with music educators in the city because the style of music isn't necessarily taught in school. It's not taught the New Orleans way. And so our teaching artists aren't approaching things with here's sheet music, here's all this. It's more about teaching kids orally. So they have to listen, they have to pay attention to their partner, and it's more based and rooted in the way that people have learned for years and years and years.
La Fondation offre également des visites scolaires dans le hall.
So Kids in the Hall is our interactive field trip experience, and so we've been doing this program probably for about 30 years.
Like with the stem, I can do this with it.
And so we invite students from schools all over the U.S. We really try to focus in especially on the New Orleans area schools, but they come to here for a concert just for their class. They get to ask musicians questions and learn more about New Orleans jazz.
Is it free?
For schools in Louisiana, yes, and for Title I schools.
Wow.
Le Preservation Hall garde également des traces de sa propre histoire en accumulant des éléments d'archives.
So it's everything from Preservation Hall over the past 50 years. So like instruments, photos, videos, posters, programs, books, clothing, like it's a mishmash of everything you can think of.
And are they public?
Not yet.
Not yet.
So right now we're working towards formalizing and digitizing, cataloging so that it can be accessible to the general public. It's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Preservation Hall. Now that's where you'll find all the greats. And when I was a teenager, the ones that's still alive, that's where they're playing now. And that's where all the people all over the world come into New Orleans. First place they want to know where the Preservation Hall is. The fellas that's blowing in there today, the old timers that I played with when I was young.